help our channel out and hit that subscribe button. And hit the like also. We have our little Yanmar excavator up here behind the water tank today. Going to dig a little drain line down the hill. There's a product out there in the construction world they call flow fill. And flow fill is just nothing but a weak concrete mixture. Well, right off the bat, I found material up here, kind of rocky looking, kind of clay, and it reminds me of flow fill. You can dig through it, but you have to scratch and scratch and scratch and scratch until you get it down to the level that you want. It's a pain in the butt to dig through. The teeth on our little excavator bucket are not really the kind of teeth that can dig through this hard material like this easily, but if you just take it slow, take it easy, and keep scratching at it, it'll get through it eventually. further down this hill I get, easier the digging is. I guess Snickers the cat wants to come up here and supervise things and make sure he's underfoot. So seeing how I didn't use the laser level down through here, I have some low spots and figured I'd probably have some high spots too. But, lay the pipe in, put a little bullet level on it, and just start at the beginning and work my way down until I get to the bottom of the hill. And it should drain off water easy enough, just needs to go downhill. I'm just going to daylight this pipe out of the ground down here. This water that might drain down this pipe is just going to end up in a little pond area, a little retention area we have before it heads on down the property to the bottom. Glue some more sections on the end of this pipe, and the doggone stick supervisor decides that he wants to play ball. He tends to drop his sticks and his balls and stuff right behind you, so when you step back, you're sure to trip over it. Now that's patience. That doggone stick supervisor's a straddle of that berm with his ball right in front of him. Throw the ball. Bird? One of the doggone senior supervisors decided to come out here and see what was going on too. So after taking a shovel and kind of leveling this pipe up, getting it to where it has a decent fall to it, and take the excavator up here and just bury it. Most all of this material up here is not too rocky, so it's, good bedding material for that pipe. Up here at the upper end near the corner is where I was scratching through all that concrete type stuff and take a little bit of dirt off the berm here, bed the pipe with that, and then just push the material over the top of that. Now I'm not going to take too much time grading this area up here because we're going to actually put a trail up here behind the water tank and build a pad up behind the tank to gravity fill that tank rather than have to pump water into it. And when I put that pad up here, I'll be using a little dump truck probably. When I put that pad up here, then I'll grade a road down through here afterwards.